Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects millions worldwide: blood sugar and type 2 diabetes myths. We're here to separate fact from fiction and help you better understand how to control your blood sugar and manage type 2 diabetes effectively. So, come on and join us as we get ready to bust these myths and learn the real facts. But first, let's go deep into exploring the basics. What is blood sugar? Blood sugar, also known as glucose or blood glucose, is a main source of energy for your body's cells. It's derived from the food you eat and absorbed in your digestive tract, and is also regulated by a very important hormone we have talked about in past videos. The hormone is called insulin. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic health condition where your body cannot properly process blood sugar. This can be due to either insufficient insulin production, secondary to a damage in the pancreas cells, or resistance to insulin, produced by excessive consumption of carbohydrates and refined carbohydrates. What types of diabetes are there? The main types are type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Type 2 is the most common form, which is often associated with lifestyle factors, like food and physical activity, and genetics. What is type 2 diabetes? Type 2 diabetes occurs when your body becomes insulin resistant, leading to high blood sugar levels. This condition can cause various complications if not managed effectively. But what are the factors influencing type 2 diabetes? Several factors contribute to the development of this health problem. Here's where we'll discuss them. Overweight and obesity. Excess weight, particularly around the abdomen, increases insulin resistance. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity impedes glucose metabolism. Poor diet. High intake of processed foods and sugary beverages can lead to insulin resistance. Family history. Genetics play a role in predisposition to type 2 diabetes. Age. The risk increases with age, though younger people are also being diagnosed. Remember that if you have a family history of type 2 diabetes, it doesn't mean that you will develop the disease with a 100% certainty, but you do have a higher chance of getting it, if you don't take care of your health. This means that you need to pay close and detailed attention to your lifestyle. So, what are the signs of high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes? It's essential to recognize the signs of high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes. And there are many of them that you need to be aware of. Here we discuss the main ones. Frequent urination and increased thirst. Frequent urination during sleep time. Fatigue and blurred vision. Slow healing wounds and unexplained weight loss. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet. Hunger even after meals. What are the myths we need to debunk? Let's debunk some myths about high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes. Myth 1. Type 2 diabetes only affects overweight people. The fact is that, while obesity is a risk factor, type 2 diabetes can affect people of all sizes. Myth 2. You can catch diabetes from someone else. Fact is that, diabetes is not contagious. It's influenced by lifestyle principally and genetics. Myth 3. Sugar consumption does not cause diabetes. The fact is that, consumption of sugar increases your chance of developing type 2 diabetes. It can definitely contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance, directing you to the path of prediabetes and diabetes. What are other facts on high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes? Now, let's focus on some additional facts we need to learn. Fact 1. Properly managing blood sugar can effectively prevent complications. Fact 2. Lifestyle changes like healthy eating and regular exercise will significantly improve blood sugar control. These are main pillars in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. Fact 3. Medication may be necessary for some individuals to manage type 2 diabetes effectively. Fact 4. Surgery is a viable option for many people suffering from this consuming disease. How to control high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes? There are many options to achieve a better control, so let's explore the main pillar to control high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes. Diet. Choose to consume nutrient-dense foods such as vegetables, high-fiber foods, high-quality lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid carbohydrates and processed foods. Exercise. Regular physical activity improves insulin sensitivity, helps you to build more muscle mass and achieve a better glucose control. Blood sugar monitoring. Regularly check your blood sugar levels, have a goal and work towards achieving it. Are there any natural remedies and supplements we can use to control high blood glucose and type 2 diabetes? Yes, there are many natural remedies that we can use for a better control. Here, we will learn about some of the natural remedies to control type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, improving glucose utilization by your cells. Fenugreek can enhance glucose tolerance. Chromium may support insulin function. Remember that before trying any natural remedies, always consult with your healthcare provider to determine appropriate doses and avoid potential interactions with medications. Managing type 2 diabetes with medications is a fact in today's world, mainly because people are always looking for an easy solution for this problem. But don't forget that the main pillars that you need to focus on are food and exercise. You need to change them like your life depends on it, because it does. Sometimes, medications are necessary to control type 2 diabetes. Common drugs include metformin, sulfonylureas, and SGLT2 inhibitors. Side effects vary, so discuss your options with your head doctor. What are consequences of uncontrolled type 2 diabetes? Here is what happens when type 2 diabetes goes uncontrolled, and you constantly have high blood glucose levels. Heart disease and stroke risk increases. Kidney disease and vision loss can occur. Nerve damage may lead to complications such as foot problems. Are there any foods and nutrients for type 2 diabetes control? Yes, certain foods and nutrients help control type 2 diabetes. Here are some examples that you can start using right now. Fiber-rich foods like low-sugar fruits, legumes, and vegetables. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish and flax seeds or chia seeds support heart health and reduce inflammation. Magnesium can enhance insulin sensitivity. Apple cider vinegar can help with glucose control and also fat release. What are some practical tips that can help with glucose control for your daily life? Pay close attention because, here are some very practical tips for better blood sugar and type 2 diabetes control. Balance your meals with a variety of whole foods and adequate portions. Do not eat more than 3 times per day and avoid starches and refined carbohydrates. Exercise regularly. Both cardio and strength training benefit insulin sensitivity. Manage stress through relaxation techniques like meditation and deep breathing. Apply intermittent fasting. Using intermittent fasting is a powerful way of keeping your blood glucose levels under control. Apply fasting for at least 12 hours per day and up to 24 hours. Fasting is a great option to begin with, and you can use prolonged fasting as well. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, there you have it friends, the myths and facts on high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes. Here are the key points you need to remember to achieve a better control. Blood sugar is a source for energy, and insulin helps regulate it. Type 2 diabetes can occur due to various factors such as obesity, genetics, and mainly lifestyle. Recognize the signs of high blood sugar and type 2 diabetes for prompt action. Avoiding myths can lead to better management and healthier choices. Natural remedies can be used for better control or they can complement medical treatments, but consult your healthcare provider first. Uncontrolled diabetes can lead to serious complications, so keep your blood sugar in check. You can get yourself a continuous glucose monitor or a regular glucose monitor. Foods and nutrients like fiber and omega-3 can aid in diabetes control. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and wellness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with managing high blood glucose and type 2 diabetes. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.